All right. So welcome once again. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make $350, which if you convert it to naira is going to be 200,000 per client. Writing feasibility study. So in this video I'll be showing you just how I made the sum of 200,000 writing feasibility study for a client. How I actually landed a client that paid me the sum of 200k to write a feasibility study for him. So if you convert the 200,000 to dollar, so it's going to be giving you $350. So without further ado, but before I continue, if you are just watching this video for the first time, I would like you to click on the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that whenever I create a new video, you will be able to get my updates. You'll be able to get the notification. So the purpose of creating this channel is to help you get the strategies to make money, is to help you get the strategies to have a second income, is to help you monetize your skills, your talents, and to help you live a better life. So that because when you have money, you will be able to cater for every need that you have in life. So that is why I'll be diving into this video right now. And let's quickly dive in. So the next thing you are going to be doing is that I'll be showing you the next thing I will be doing. I'll be showing you the steps you are going to take to land your first client. Because if you are into freelancing, or you have a writing skill, or you know how to promote a business, you know how to sell, whatever you know how to do, if you cannot get a client, definitely you are not yet in business. You are not in business. So that is why I'll be discussing how to land your first client. How to land your first client. And this is going to be very, very important. Yeah, it's going to be very, very important. So the first thing that you're going to be doing is that you need to decide to develop passion for writing. Writing is something that has to do with content. It has to do with communication. It has to do with persuading people to take a particular action. So assuming now you are selling something, or a company are looking for somebody that can help them to communicate with their prospect, so they can easily come to you, they can hire you, and ask you to help them write some persuasive content. And that is where we have the skill of copywriting. So the copywriting, so it's the act of writing persuasive content that can bring in sales, content that can communicate with people, persuade people, convince people, and make people to buy what you are selling. So definitely that is what you are going to be doing. So if you don't know anything about copywriting before, so I will urge you to acquire the skills. Search online, Google search, YouTube search. You will definitely see so many resources that will help you to create content, that will help you to get information about how to write a persuasive content, how to write something that will make people to be calling you, that will make people to be want to give you money. So that's why I say you should decide to develop passion for writing. So the first thing is to develop passion for writing. So the first thing is to develop passion for writing. So once you develop passion for writing, it means you are going to be writing at least once in a day. So you can first of all create a free blog and start writing. You start perfecting your writing. You can write blog posts. You can write on some of all these forum. You can be writing on social media. Just start writing, even if it is 500 words per day. You start writing. You choose a topic and start perfecting your skills. You start practicing, and before you know, it will become an habit of which on a daily basis you will just want to write something. You just want to write something. So just like what I've said, you study, you can enroll for most of all these online courses, both free and paid, just to learn about how to write, how to create a powerful headline, how to write a sub headline, how to open your writing, so how to write the body, how to close the deals. So some of these things you need it. And once you start learning, you start practicing, and you start perfecting your skill of writing, it is a skill that will definitely give you a lot of money. So once you have been able to learn, you have done it. So the next thing is to start practicing, start writing on a daily basis. Another thing is that you get started and choose the platform of your choice. So there are a lot of platform online that you can choose from. You can decide to be writing on social media. You can be using an online forum. So you can be using Facebook. You can be writing on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, you can get a lot of clients on LinkedIn. So a lot of company, because it's for businesses, it's for people, business to business. So there are a lot of people that are company CEO, company managers, so that are looking for freelance gigs. So they are looking for writers, people who can write for them, people who can help them design something for their company. So they are there. They are looking for, they want to outsource some of what they are doing in their company, or something they think their team cannot be able to do it effectively well. So they are looking for a way to outsource those tasks. So of which you can be of it. They are ready to pay. They are ready to pay you very well. So you can just get into that, then get into LinkedIn and start showcasing your skills and talent. Just start writing, start posting. So before you know, people will begin to send you a private message, and they will begin to offer you one or two services that you can get paid for. And another thing is that so right here now I'll be showing you how I land my first client. So I don't want this video to be too long. So writing and educating people in a popular forum. So this is the strategy I actually use. So and what actually the story that actually led to me writing and educating people on a popular forum is that I choose a particular forum which I know that it has more than 1 million people. So and was to what I did was to just I actually I could recall that that time there's a particular product I wanted to sell. So I put it into that forum. When I put it into the forum and I discovered that people begin to contact me, they started sending me message. I actually dropped my phone number there. And since that time, people have been calling me even after I have sold the product. People are still calling me. So from there, I now begin to realize that it seems there are a lot of potential clients in this forum, and that was how I started writing on that forum to educate people, giving value, and at the end of the post, promoting my product. So posting valuable content will surely bring back to you a lot of prospective clients, because you are there to help people to solve their problems. And writing and educating people and posting valuable content, it will position you as an expert. It's going to position you before people as a professional, as somebody who is knowledgeable about the topic, and they will be willing and glad to seek for your help. So and they don't mind paying you money to help them. It's not everybody that will come for free service, but a lot of people will come and request for your paid service, which can actually fetch you some money, like 5 figure, 6 figure income. So if you take it very serious, so that's why I say helping people. So you begin to start helping people, write content that solve people's problems, that can help them to improve their business, that can help them to tackle their business challenges. If you're on health niche, so write something that can help people improve their health, that can help them lose weight, or to eradicate some problems. So depending on your niche, So content marketing is very, very crucial to help you get tremendous clients that will pay you money for your service. So that's what I started doing on that forum. And the next thing I see is that client noticed my good work, and the next thing that they started contacting me for work. So I even learned the one that will actually pay me 200,000, which is equivalent to $350. So actually noticed my work. There was a time I was even selling a guide on that particular forum. I wrote a guide on a particular topic which I know a lot of people are searching for, and I started making some sales on that guide. People are calling me, they are getting back to me, they are posting their review. So from there, the one of the clients that actually bought my guide came back and he said he needed an advanced service. You can hear what he said. I said in a nutshell, you don't want to spend more than 200K for this consulting fee. So this 200,000, if you convert it to dollar, is equivalent to $350 right now. I agree that is your budget for this gig. You can see his reply. He said that is my budget. If it was consulting to start, it is a different ball game. I have gone past consulting. I just want to add value to what I already have. So you can see people want to add value to what they already have, and they are searching, they are looking online to see those people that can help them, that can help them solve their problems. So, and that is the reason why you have to quickly go online, go to get into any of these forums and start solving people's problems, start helping people, and before you know, they will definitely come back to you and want to give you a paid gig. They want to give you a paid job. So this man actually, that's how you can see our conversation. You can see what I promised to write for him. He only requested for feasibility study, but I end up introducing that I will also give him a business plan, marketing plan, strategies and tactics, sales strategies and tactic plan, advertising techniques plan, business growth and development strategy plan. Because I just look into it and say that is it only visibility study I'll write for 200K? Let me add more value to it to convince the man. You can see what he told me. He told me that I will pay in 3 milestones according to your work breakdown. So you can see. So, and at your earliest convenience, first payment will be made. So that's, you can see he pay in the following percentage, like 20. He first of all pay 20%, he later pay 50%, and he later pay 30%, because the man he live abroad, and he has a company in this country, and he wants me to help him inspect the company, get my own details and data, and use it to write a comprehensive feasibility study that can help him to improve on the business and to make more profit. So this is very, very simple job, very, very simple. So you can do it, and if you follow my advice, which I've put together on this video, it will seriously help you to get started as a professional freelancer. So before you know, you can be getting a client that will pay you $500, $1,000, so and more and more and more. So if you are doing a very good job, people will even refer you to some other client, and before you know, you will be on your way to be making 6 to 7 figure writing for people. If you have enjoyed this video, try, if you are just watching this video for the first time, hit the bell notification, smash the like button, so that whenever I create a new video, you'll be able to get an update. So thank you so much. I will see you on the next video.